Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Flip5. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And if you don't have this app, let's enter Play Store. Search for Wallet. Install this app. Make sure to select Google Wallet and now open it. Your account will be selected automatically if you've got only one account assigned to your phone. As you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards to your account, check quick tips, and manage your passes like payback, in my case. Also, you can add new loyalty cards like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks. And in the end, check your password saved to Password Manager. Next category is your data in Wallet, where you can manage payments data and passes data. Wallet settings, where you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. And in the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it for Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.